Now, for the third real step, we want to make the second layer. So all of these 4 edges. You need to first know which piece you will solve. So in this case that I made the white cross and the white first layer, I will ignore every edge that has yellow on it, because it's this center color, opposite of this. In here, if I had the green, I will ignore all the blue edges. After you find one edge that doesn't have the center color, align it with its matching center in the front. So here it's wrong because it's blue. Here it's right. Here you will have 2 cases, 2 possible cases that can happen. Either the piece needs to go left, to the left, or here the piece needs to go to the right, right, left. If the piece needs to go to the right, this is the hardest step in my opinion, but it's very easy. If it needs to go to the right, you start by moving the top layer to the right, doing the 4 moves with your right hand. Now you rotate the cube, you spin it in the right way, just like this. You were here, this, and do the 4 moves with your left hand. And it's solved. For it, when the edge needs to go to the left, just do the opposite. Start turning the top to the left, left 4 moves, rotate to the left, and do the right 4 moves. Now it's solved. Here needs to go to the left again. Left, left moves, left, right moves. To the right, right, right moves, right, left moves. And in this case, where the edge is flipped, just replace it with any other edges. So I will do this one, going to here. Now solve it normally. Right, 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 left. An entire 2 layers.